shut it, open, shut it, open and shut it, open and shut it. So the door is open and people are entering the class. And when everybody has entered the class, let the door shut so that we can enjoy our lesson very, very much. Welcome again to this lesson. It's your teacher, Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. Now, we did the putting together and we had Jen's balls put together with John's ball. The blocks were put together with the other blocks. And after that, we talked about Kate's mother going to the market and the things Kate's mother bought. Do you remember Kate's mother bought carrots and who? What else? Oranges. And we used the word and. And now we want to replace this word put together with and with another sign that will be telling us. We said put together 3 and 4, make, and we get an answer there. This and this make this. Now, for example, when we talk about Kate's mother going to the market, we talked about 3 oranges that Kate's mother had. Were they 3 oranges? No, someone has just reminded me. They were not 3 oranges. They were 3 carrots. Kate's mother had bought 3 carrots and 2 oranges. Kate's mother had bought 3 carrots and 2 oranges. And we said 3 carrots and 2 oranges make, what did we make? What was the answer? Count the 3 carrots and 2 oranges very fast in the head. Aha, someone has already done it. So we bought 5 items. We talked about John having 2 blocks. They were 2 blocks each. John had 2 play blocks and we put together with Janet's play blocks. How many were they? 2 blocks again. And we made, they make how many? 4. Now, I want you to show you something else. We can use the word put together, it's still correct. We can use the word and, it's still correct. But now, to write it in a simple way, we say these ones can be replaced by this sign. The word put together can be replaced by this sign. Or the word and can be replaced by this sign. We have been putting together, we have been and using the word and, but today I want to introduce to you some other sign. This sign means add. What does this sign mean, class? This sign means add. It can also be said it is a plus. Teacher, I got 100 in math and I got a 90 in English. That is a plus from your previous mark. You've added something. Teacher, when I was going home, I did very well in counting. My mother gave me 5 shillings. And you know, yesterday, my daddy had given me 10 shillings. That is a plus. You have added something to what you had yesterday. Now, then these 2 words, make. These 2 words, make. These 2 words, make, can be replaced by the word equal. By this sign. Are you seeing this sign? Are you seeing this sign? What does this sign mean? 2 lines. Who said that 2 lines? Huh? Who said that 2 lines? These are not 2 lines. So let us represent the 3. Let us assume these are the 3 cards that, the 3 carrots that, we are not using the carrots, yes. The Kate's mother bought carrots, but today we are not going to use the carrots because I heard that someone ate them after their lesson. I don't know who is that, but I know. I'll tell. So I want you to get it clearly. Now I have these cards to represent the carrots that Kate's mother bought. Kate, you ate all the carrots. You could not even remember to carry some. And this one will represent the oranges that Kate's mother bought. They said they were 2. So let's see. Let's see. And we have said the meaning of the word add means a plus. So let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 3 here. And we have said and will be represented by a plus sign. So it is our plus. And the 2. And we have said when I have 3 carrots put together with 2 oranges, for me to get the total sum, I use this sign written as equal. So the word make has been replaced by the word equal. For me to get the answer, let's see. So we are saying this word make is the one that is represented by that sign. These words put together and plus is the one that has been represented by that sign. Then our 2 here, they are the ones that are here. Our 3 carrots here are the ones that are here. So when we are talking about add, this is how you make the addition sentence. A teacher will tell you, make an addition sentence from this. Make an addition sentence from this. And of course, the total number of the items that Kate's mother bought remains the same. So when you are told make an addition sentence from Kate's mother's items, this is how our addition sentence will look like. 3 carrots, 1, 2, 3. And means a plus or add. 2 oranges, 1, 2. Make is represented by the term equal. And then 5, that is the total number of items. That is the total number of items that Kate's mother bought. So we are saying we use plus to show. What do we use plus to show? We use plus to show add. We use plus to show put together. We use plus, this sign plus, to show this sign is plus, written like that. The word is plus, the sign is that. So we are saying we used this sign to show add. We use it to show sum. Look at the sum I've written there. Did I write Sam's name? That was not Sam's name. I've written the word sum. Sum means add. We use plus to talk about total. We are talking about the total number of chairs in this class, the total number of girls in this class, the total number of boys who sang. We use plus, we use the word and. We're forgetting the word and here. And. So, if you see these words in a sentence, Jane and mother visited the market. Jane bought 3 oranges and mother bought 4 oranges. How many oranges did they buy together? And. Add 4 cups plus 2 tins. How many are they all together? We are forgetting even the word how many is there. Okay? So we have learned that and, add, put together, sum, total, how many? How many are there? How many are there? How many are there? Is still an addition word. When you use the word more, I bought 3 oranges. Then daddy gave me 4 more oranges. How many oranges do I have altogether? Daddy gave me 4 more oranges. So we have gotten another word, more. It's still an addition word. We can still use the word, which other word someone is telling me? Teacher, you have forgotten the common word, all together. The word all together. All together still means add. Still means add. So anytime you see these words in a sentence, for example, I went to the market, I bought 3 oranges and 4 bananas. How many fruits do I have? And add 8 cups plus 4 cups you've taken from my class. How many cups do you have? Put together. I have 2 blocks. Put together all the blocks that you have plus John's blocks. How many blocks do you have? Then sum. What is the sum of your blocks and Jen's blocks? Put together. Can you tell me the total number of desks do you have in this class? We are going to count all the desks in each row. And you tell me how many are there. Then you're talking about how many are there. Then you tell me there are 6 desks in our class. Then we're talking about I had 2 bananas this morning. When I came to school, the teacher added me 3 more bananas. How many bananas do I have all together? It is still add. Then we are talking about all together. So all these words, when they're put together, they mean one thing. They mean one thing. All these words, when they're put together, they simply mean one thing. They mean add. All these words mean add. They don't have any other meaning. They just mean add. And that is what we're talking about today. Add. When I'm told 3 plus, that is the sign. Then we are talking about 2. Then we are saying, now this one means equal to. Equal to. Then the answer is 5. So we are saying this word means add. This sign means add. This, and what are we adding? We are adding 3 and 2. So what do we call 3 and 2? 3 and 2 are the addends. 3 and 2 are the addends. Add, addends. Three and 2 are the addends. And this is the total sum. This is the sum. Meaning, when I count the items on this side, before the equal sign, should be the same with the items on the other side after the equal sign. So when I add 3 and 2, they should give me 5. The same way, if I have 5 items here, I should also make sure that the items on the left hands are equal to the items on the right hand. That is what simply addition means. For example, let's calculate this now. I have how many chairs? How many chairs can you see on my table? How many chairs can you see on my table? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 chairs on my table. And how many kettle can you see on my table? I only have 1 kettle. So if you ask, what is the total number of items does the teacher have? Who can tell me the total number of items I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What did I do? I added them together. So as we continue, we will learn more and more and more about what is addition and the different methods we are supposed to add, the different method you're supposed to use when we are finding out the total number of items we have. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best as you look forward to the next lesson of addition. Thank you.